Namaste everyone, this is Suchi. I'm a life coach. I welcome everyone in Life Flights by TV. I'm waiting for few more audience to join in. Hello Mr. Arungatu. Welcome Mr. Kumar Singh. Welcome Bhavesh Bagaria. So today's live is with a special guest Ranjini Thakur. She is from Telangana, Hyderabad, and she is a stock trader and she has passion for stock trading, I think so, since class 12. Moreover, she is a life coach and I would love to tell and interview her stories. Let us know more from Ranjini Thakur. I would like to welcome her for the interview. Welcome Sonia. Hello K Singh. Hi Ranjini.
Hi, Suchi. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm doing great, dear. Thank you so much. How about you?
All good. Thank you, Ranjini, for coming to my channel for the interview. I'm really obliged for that.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, by the way.
Ranjini, first and foremost, I am very impressed with the thought that you are into stock trading, and it is since class 12 that you have interest into. So, could you let me know how is this journey being with you? What project are you currently working on?
So, yeah, Suchi, currently I'm focusing on mission for financial freedom, where I can make many individuals independent. Because finance is something like, that is the major critical, I would say, part where everyone falls down and there are many things which happens with the people. So that's my mission, where I'm on a mission for financial freedom. And actually, I want to make difference in people's lives, not only financially, but also make them understand life better. So that is the reason why I am a certified life coach now, where I can change people's lives financially and help them stay motivated in their lives as well. So that's my
So,
current life.
right, what made you feel inspired to get into stock trading for the financial freedom, and then from stock trading, the journey moved to the life coaching?
Right. So my passion for stock market was since class 12. That was like a tough, I would say it was quite challenging journey in my whole life, that stock market. And, like kind of in stock market, why I feel that stock market is the only stage where we can get so financially free is because I would say that's the only thing where you get earn quick money. Like without even waiting based on your analysis. So I feel that stock market is the best platform to make yourself financially free. And as you said, Suchi, like coming, why I have been certified as a life coach. Life coach was something for personal development, which every individual actually wants. So that was
Right.
my mission where, as I told, it's part of my mission where I have to make people financially free along with making their lives better, because having financially free but still not having a good life will not make sense. So this is something, a combo which I can help in people getting out of it.
I absolutely agree with you, Ranjini, because the combination of living your life better, adding a financial freedom to it, is definitely going to help people to grow in their life.
True,
So,
true.
Rajni, I would love to know your struggles behind getting into this stock trading and this life coaching journey, deciding on why stock trading and why life coaching. What was your struggle in the past, and what are the struggles that you're undergoing at present?
So actually, to say, as as discussed in many different interviews, my trading journey, as I told, it was quite challenging because I was always aspiring to become a financial free woman because of my past. Like kind of when I told that I would be doing stock market trading and I want to make my passion as my profession, there was a no from my family first. That was my dad, because he had a bit of past experience in the stock market. So he was strictly no. And being a girl child, they don't want us to take good risks because they are so protective. So that was one reason. And I made it happen because my mom has supported, motivated me to do this. But she was only knowing that I was playing with 10, 20,000. But I was high, she was not aware that I have taken a loan in 2017 of 3 lakhs, and without telling anyone. That was the biggest risk which I have taken in my whole life. I would say I was sorry, I took 3 lakhs loan and I was left with 60,000. And
That's
yeah, so that day it was I would say that was a learning day for me. I could say, I would not say something like depressed day and all. So it was a learning day for me, where I felt like if I have to continue my journey in stock market, then I have to make this 60,000 a wonder figure. Then I would give up this and tell my family that I have done a blunder by taking a loan. So that was my biggest challenge, which I have given to myself. And truly, Suchi, 6 months were just, like kind of the days. I'm not sure how the days passed there. And when I made that 60,000, 5 to 6 months span of time to 5.5 lakhs, then I felt, no, this is something which people need me, and this is my purpose of life. So that is where I
right.
made stock market. And then it was still tough because I could not tell my family that I'm making wonders here, because no one will, it's stock market is something like no one will believe so easily. So that was my biggest challenge. And then I had to show many, many, many things. And then my family had come to support me. And now in my family, stock market is something like, yes, that's a good profession, and they're all encouraging that profession. So that is one struggle. And you can see me now, this is what I am after those 8 years of struggle which I have done, because I was hiding trading, right? So doing something by hiding with your family is something more which is not possible. Staying in a family and doing trading from morning 9 and then working in an MNC company, so that pressure, that sleepless nights is what I am today. Yeah.
Awesome. So, Ranjini, as you shared that you were hiding from your family and you also took a loan. And see, I know that stock trading is a very risky journey that people have to take. And if they don't have the proper knowledge to it, it might not give that benefit which we as a person knowing from you. But then, what would you suggest to them? How should they go ahead with the journey of taking a step to get into stock trading?
So first, based on my past 8 years of experience, Suchi, I would say knowledge is really much required. So if you see, like kind of money is not a matter there, but with how much are you minting with small amount also matters, is what, that is where you will know that you are a good trader. If you take today's example of mine, I just wanted to do some, because every day I play with numbers. So I want to create something or the other, like kind of, I just wanted to create something or the other. So strategies and all. So today what I did, I just played with 6,000. And
Right.
when I need 16,000, because I was very sure on my analysis, I never check amount actually. I just check my analysis. So if any new beginner wants to join stock market, my golden advice would be, first at least have a learnings on it, do many back testings with small amount, and then only enter the, like kind of, if you want to play big there in stock market.
Okay, Ranjini, do you provide advices to other people that which stock they should invest on and which choices they should make?
So actually, for this, thanks for asking this question, Suchi. But what I believe in, like kind of giving advice is not a big deal, but I want everyone to learn stock market and keep their own learnings, because, it's a vast, I would say it's a vast platform where you cannot learn everything. So I believe, like, I just wanted many individuals to learn things and come here, because, they can come out and explore their own strategies, because every
Right.
person have their own different. So I don't advise anyone what to buy and what not, what to sell at any time, but I just say them, take knowledge. I'm ready here to give that knowledge. So take knowledge and be independent. So I want everyone to be financially independent. That means, like, I just want to make them totally independent in stock market without even relying on me. So whatever knowledge I have, I love to share with the people.
So basically, you would love to educate people regarding stock trading, how they can go ahead with the stock trading, and then they can make their own decisions.
True.
Thank you for sharing in this perspective. Okay, Ranjini, so because stock trading is an entire morning journey, and then after that, how do you take clients for a life coaching?
So yeah, in my coaching, like, I firstly, as I told, if you have 50% knowledge of trading, is that's more than enough, but 50% is what you have to play with your mindset. That's important thing which comes in stock market. So initially I train them because few people get panic. Some have fear of rejection, some have fear of losing capital, some have like kind of many kinds of fears. They just begin into stock market. So I say don't come with a perspective of earning in stock market, but come with a perspective of learning in stock market. So when you join stock market for learning purpose, it will give you many, money just follows you. So that's my experience which I had, because like when you hold that good knowledge in trading, that will just give you the money at any cost. So I don't see money, I don't see my capital as well for trading, but I try to create many strategies with small amount, because I want to entertain and like I want to motivate many people thinking, because there is a thought like if you have only 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs, you can just do trading to earn more. But I would say if you have 5,000 also, you can start trading. That's my motto, which I want everyone to trade actually. So first I would say knowledge.
Right. How does mindset play a role in the stock trading?
Good question, Sushi, actually. So mindset is something like, what happens? Let me tell you a scenario, because when people tend to take more losses and book quick profits. So in my trainings, in my education, which I teach people is, tend to take more profits and take limited risk which you can afford. Then you are a perfect trader, because you have to survive in the market forever now. So that's my one golden tip which I tell people is, like, okay, now many have a questions like, we can't wait for a longer time. Then that's just patience which market teaches you for a longer time. If you ask me, I hardly trade in a month 5 to 6 days, and I mint money. I don't trade every day. So you should have that kind of patience, irrespective you get that greed in the market, but still you have to wait, saying that abhi hamesha ke liye hai market. So don't hurry to earn only in one day, because what happens when you start having this earning in one day strategies and all, you'll tend to lose the whole capital. That happened with me, so that is what I given. And one more thing why I say mindset plays an important role is because like kind of they do aggressive trading, and that's more, it's I would say, when you're doing aggressive trading, which means you have to work on your mindset so much. Because what happens when you have say 1 lakh of loss and you want to recover on the same day, they start taking revenge from the market. So in that moment, what happens is they tend to lose the whole capital. So in this perspectives, I say that like mindset is more important. Yeah,
I agree. See, this very wonderful point that you raised right now, that patience and right mindset is very important if you want to enter into the stock trading.
true.
Okay, this is your path where your work is there, and I'm seeing lots of your audience are a big fan of your, and they're appreciating you like anything.
Thank you all. Yeah.
So, apart from stock trading, life coaching, and all, what are the things where you spend your time?
Actually, to say nowhere other than stock market. So my day starts from morning 7 and ends at 11. And like kind of I enjoy stock market. It's not that I earn from morning 7 to 11, but there are only things 3 to 4 times I take trades in a day. But I love watching the market and making good observations. That is what a trader should have, because like kind of that is where people say, how do you scan so many stocks in one day? Then I say that's something attracts me. So there I say that is why I love to play with numbers. So if you ask me if I have to enjoy now, these days I just started reading novels and all, because at least I should make more focus on my personal development as well, because my clients are coming with a more reasons where they are facing problems with personal development, but not with the stock market. They are learning stock market from me, but they are not, like kind of that mindset is not working. So for them, I started like kind of taking a turn to the novels, so that I can train them in more good way when it comes to mindset, because as I told, 50% is what trading happens. 50% you should have knowledge and 50% you should have a good mindset to trade. So my day starts from 7 and ends at 11:55 actually, to say, because I watch the whole market along. I started learning US market now. I'm just watching that. And actually my day starts at morning 4 a.m. because I have to complete my savers and all. That's more important to keep me healthy the whole day. So that
Right.
me time, and then from 7 to 11 it's stock market time.
Wonderful. So, what is the book that you're reading currently? As you said, you have started creating an interest in reading a novel. So, which novel are you reading currently?
So it's Eat That Frog, wonderful book. So
Wow.
it beats your procrastination. So I'm loving that as well. And, like kind of learnings are forever, which is, like kind of, I am also reading something and all. So I love to share that with my clients. So yeah, my current book, which I'm reading, is that.
While helping your clients, do you also give them affirmations along? Because as a life coaching, we know many people have blockage towards the money. And until unless that block is taken away, the stock trading and the risk that is required would not happen. So, what would you like to say them, and what kind of affirmation would you like to give them? If one affirmation that you would like to
So
share.
one affirmation, when my clients come and say me, Ranjani, how should I take amount for trading? Then I say, don't tell how should I have the amount, how much should I put there? Because many people have this question. My mentors and Pooja Punit always says that we have many resources. It's we who don't know how to use the resources. So that's what happening with my clients as well, where I don't tell that you don't have money, because money is what which gets followed once you have good knowledge. But it's only that you try how you can get that money. As I told my story, for me it was quite big challenging, because without telling, taking a loan is something of biggest challenge which anyone can do in their teenage life, or in the profession lives. So I would say that for me resource was not a problem. For me, I was feeling that lacking of I was not having good knowledge. I was having that perspective. But after I have done my certifications, I thought I was degrading my own self, which is not correct. And now I feel that I'm overeducated. Like kind of I get that vibes. Why did I learn so much in stock market when it is not required? But yeah, it's a learning for my clients. So what I do for my clients when they come for learning stock market, I say this is what is enough for doing your trades. So are you making the first question which I pose them is, do you want to become a pro trader, or enough if you survive daily income or something like that? So based on that questions, I tell them the affirmations, because every affirmation cannot be suitable for everyone. So some have good money but they don't know how to do. Few come without money and they have that money blockage. So it depends when I give them the affirmations. But the first affirmation which I would say is, don't tell every day when I ask them to send a message in the group, I say, don't say me good morning or good evening or good night, but just tell me I am a pro trader or I am a stock market trader. So that's one affirmation I have already started in my learning batches.
Wonderful. This was a nice affirmation that once I start investing into stock trade, I'll also keep into my.
Welcome.
I have to open my DMAT account, and I am really getting inspired by you thinking about investing in the stock market. Though my husband does that, but then I should myself plan in investing to the stock market. Okay, Rashmi, my another question to you is, apart from stock market, apart from life coaching that you have been continuously doing right now, there are certain women. Okay, how would you like to advise them to get into stock trading rather than keeping the money and saving them? Something to motivate them to get into stock trading.
Yes, Suchi, this is what I, I would love every woman to think in a perspective to save their capital and work with the money which they are earning above that. So that is where I'm working with, like kind of many homemakers have come to me saying that we have only 5,000, we have only 4,000. How do you expect us to do stock market trading? Then I told with 5,000, I'll do and show you, and then you people can follow it. So that is where I'm on a mission now, where I'm working every day by backtesting many strategies. Today, if you see, as I told with 6,000, when I put that in my groups where people were asking, they were saying that, yeah, is it really possible? Then yes, we have to start. So this is what I just wanted. I would not say I'm focusing on women's mostly, because if you see many people who have joined are men, like who are interested and who are already learning stock market. But I would say women to come ahead and take risk. When I can do that, why can't you people can do that? So that's my effort. Like always I would, in my childhood and when I would do my college days, I would always see successful women and see why are they so successful and why can't I be. And when I see myself today, I feel that, yeah, I have reached that. At least I've started that journey. So, in the same perspective, I say every woman to come forward thinking that you can do wonders. I am there to help you in doing wonders in the stock market. So, because I am into stock market, I can tell you more about stock market, but there are many ways of making money. So that's one session which I take for all my clients and all my, like kind of people who look forward for doing things. I say them three to four diversifications where you can make money. If stock market is suiting you, you stay there or you make money from somewhere else. So
Right.
again, I would say it's I always use this mantra: hire an expert or become an expert. Like kind of. So yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because see, many women who might be having a mindset where they do not want to take risk, so they can obviously come and discuss with you and take the learning and the understanding, the money which they are keeping in their maybe savings account and all, or savings just not utilizing it somewhere. Even if they are not working, they can take the help of expert and then utilize it, make it an investment and get a better return from that. And that will definitely bring confidence into their life.
True. Very true.
It was great talking to you, Rajni. I am really inspired, and the conversation and the message that I wanted to create for the women, because I majorly focus on women. And that's why the last question was especially to inspire them. And thank you for answering all my questions. I would love you to come once again into my platform so that we can educate our audience more about the stock trading perspective in the life.
Sure, Suchi. Thank you so much, by the way, having for me on this platform, and it's really glad, like I felt very happy by seeing, like the love which I'm getting from the audience as well, and thank you so much. I want this to make, as I told, it's my mission. So for sure, I would love to be on your platform another time to educate about the stock market.
Definitely. Let me say if any audience have any other questions. We have received lots and lots of appreciation, and your fan followers are really, talking about that you are an inspiration for all of us. Few of the audience are like very inspiring. So I am especially reading this because I would like the viewers to understand that Ranjini is there to help you. And if you are interested in getting into stock trading and converting your mindset to make money, to get into financial freedom, I would request all of you to contact Ranjini. I'll be sharing her Instagram handle. You can directly DM her and approach her for all the questions regarding the financial freedom from stock trading. Thank you, Ranjini. I haven't received any questions. I've checked it. So
Yeah.
it was a very informative session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Suchi. Yeah.
It was great having you here.
Same here, dear. Thank you. Love you, everyone who have joined.
Thanks, everyone, for joining in.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.